Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be showcasing you how to set up Instagram quick flows. So for the same, we'll just start with the price please automation. So what is the price please automation? So we can just click on a create new option and we can see here automatically reply to each and every price inquiries on your Instagram post. So for example, if people are asking on your post, what is the price of this product? PP, price, please, certain kind of a queries on Instagram post itself, and you want these comments on your post to be automatically DM'd, and also there should be an automatic reply on these comments. So for the same, we are creating these kinds of an automations. To set this up, we'll just click on this automatically reply to each and every price inquiries on Instagram post button and then click on proceed. We'll just select one of the specific post and then click on the next option. We'll just add a product for this, which they are asking for a price. For example, I'm just adding this image and then mentioning the name of the product, the price of the product, the buy now button, and the link. You can either add a buy now button so that they can redirect on your website and purchase the product, or you can just give them a quick reply button so that you can set up an automated response for that if you have added a customer replies. And you can just DM these customers directly from interacting box. You can add another product. So you can add up to 10 plus from here. And then you can click on the option of next. And then you can also set auto replies for comment received before the automation. And then you can see how the post looks like in the DM of the customer. And then you can click on an activate automation. That's it. So now we'll be learning this giveaway automation. So we'll just set it up right now. So I'll just click on this convert commenters into followers with giveaway automation. So I'll just select a specific post and I'll just click on next. I'll select the input type. So whatever is your requirement, like if it's a keyword specific automation, like if people are commenting something on a post, then that should work and trigger the automation. Then you can keep it like that. So whatever is an exact matching input, if you want to keep that, then you can keep an exact matching input. For example, if registration is an exact matching input and people are typing registration, then that will trigger the automation. And any comment, like people commenting anything on the post, will trigger that automation. So we'll have the follow me to receive the... So, this automation is entirely used to increase your followers by giving them certain amount of discounts or a product. So that type of automations will require a follow me text so that it will prompt them to follow your page to receive that specific goodie or to receive the specific discount. You'll be able to change the text and then we'll give them a button, I have followed you. And when they'll click on that, I have followed you, then the automations will be set up. So now if you click on next, then we'll have that option to upload an image and then we'll have a title. And if you want to add a price or something that you will be able to add, you can also give a button for them to redirect on your website to purchase it. If you want to display multiple products also or give them a multiple discount for that specific product, then you'll be able to add it as another card. And once you have added it, you can just click on activate automation. So you'll have to make sure that you're adding a URL here. That's it. It will prompt that your automation is now live. Now we'll just move to the lead gen automation. So lead gen is something that has a similar kind of an setup. You'll be able to click on this third option. So in lead gen, you are just collecting the phone number and email ID of the customer when they're commenting on a specific post. So this is something, use cases for this will be if you are giving certain amount of discounts on the doctor's appointment and you want them to register. So you can just tell them that please type register or please type doctor's appointment, book for me, or something like kind of keyword. And then when they'll type a keyword, then you can prompt them that what kind of triggers that you want to add it. So I'll just type book now and then I'll click on next. So it will ask them to give them their phone number, their email ID, or if you want to capture both of them, you'll be able to give an option of both. So if you are keeping a phone number, you can see on the left hand side how it showing like on this card itself. If you have clicked on get started, it will ask you to share your phone number. You'll share the phone number and that's it. It will give you the location. If you are giving an email ID as an option, you can give it and you can give both as an option also. So I think, yeah, that's it. And if you just click on next, you'll again have a prompt of uploading an image and then adding the title and subtitles and the buttons itself, and then activate the automations again. So that is specific steps for automating the lead gen automation. The last is a story auto replies. Here you'll have to just click on create stories. So whatever story you have recently started, only that story you'll be able to plug in. So I don't have a recent story right now. I'll show you how that entire automation work for the people. So I'll just go to a different account. Just allow me some time. I'll just see the post from the home section. So I'll just go to the account first and I'll go to this specific post. So this was the post where we have typed, where we have added the automation. Okay. So here we'll have to type the price, please, PP, similar kind of comments. So I'll just add it from my account here. I'll just try to refresh it now. So I've just added PP and I've already received a reply. So you can see I've received a reply. So you can set similar kind of reply. It's coming in a different language. Now it's saying that you should check your DM. Okay. So I'll just go to the DMs and yes, I can see the message. Since I'm not have logged in my account here, so I won't be able to display it now. But yeah, this is how the comment automation will work. And similarly, you'll receive a